Hi everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day so far. Since I don't have a life, I've decided to film another video for you guys because this eyeshadows are actually buy one get one half off right now. And as you guys have seen in the title, this is part of their Rebel Rose collection that they have released recently, and I believe this is over a month now. So I'm just going to give you guys my swatches and my unpopular opinions. So each eyeshadow quad is $4.99, and since it is buy one get one half off, that is such an amazing price point. And also, not to mention that you can also use your $3.50 coupon with a minimum purchase of $15. So the whole reason why I decided to buy these eyeshadows is because I love the color story. I think it's just something different in my eyes lately, and it has been a while since I bought something from Wet n Wild, and I told myself, like, you know what, I think this would be the perfect time for me to try again their eyeshadows. So back then, when I really don't have like a lot of makeup, Wet n Wild is actually my ride or die. Now let me tell you, I'm not saying that $4.99 per quad eyeshadow is expensive, but when you come to think of it, there are eyeshadow palettes that are like what, $9.99. You have like 21 shades or 18 shades, or you know. So when you do the math, it's still drugstore price, but there are more indie brands out there that is, you know, way more affordable with the shadows that you are going to get. I really do hope that I do make sense here, but I honestly love the concept of this one, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm lost for words. Look at the swatches. I'm gonna ask you, in your opinion, what do you honestly think? Now moving on to the last palette in this collection, we have House of Thorns. I really do think that the color choices in this palette, it is so beautiful. And I also love the fact that the metallic or shimmer is separated from the matte ones. I think that is pretty neat. But I'm not going to lie, I was expecting more. I don't know why. I know this is a drugstore and I have to set my expectations, but like what I am saying, there are more affordable palettes out there that performs way better. Like when you do the math, this is like $4.99 each, right? A $15 palette from Juvia's Place. Use the coupon and it will total into that amount, or almost. And there are Morphe palettes that are affordable as well. So I'm just really not impressed. So basically what I'm trying to say is that there are so many other drugstore palettes out there that to me costs less because you get more colors, and you just like the Profusion palettes, guys, $9.99, you will be getting a lot of shades, you know what I mean? Oh no girl, don't get it twisted. I don't hate Wet n Wild. I actually have a lot of brushes from their line. You see that in almost every video that I make. So let me know in the comment box down below if you bought these palettes first time they have released, or you have skipped them. Let me know. I love talking to you guys in the comment box down below. Give this a like if you like these types of videos, and make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you next time.